Well, actually, we don't know much. We know very little. And this is a very important question that is coming up now, especially also after the failure of the Copenhagen Conference and the general stalemate in climate negotiations. Many observers believe or have the fear that the current political systems will not be sufficient to reach a mitigation target of 2 degrees Celsius that many scientists believe is needed to keep the Earth system within stable parameters. Some scientists even argue that we have to reduce emissions even more. So therefore, there's an increasing discourse in the social sciences and in the governance literature of preparing for climate change that might be beyond 2 degrees. And this is an area of governance, an area of human evolution that is not well understood so far. There is research on adaptation at the local level, there is research on adaptation at the national level, but the adaptability of the system of global governance, of the United Nations system, is hardly understood. And this is one of the urgent and very important research frontiers. For example, some models predict that by 2050 we might have 200 million climate refugees. And this is 20 times more than the number of refugees we have so far. The numbers are disputed. They depend on scenarios, they depend on models. It might the turnout might be better or even oft worse, but the way how we can deal with these kind of numbers of refugees is not understood and requires urgent research in the political sciences, in the legal sciences, how we can deal with these increasingly possible numbers of refugees, but also other areas of global governance, including health, including economic systems, including food security. Many of these areas of global governance might be affected by drastic climate change, and how we can adjust systems of global governance to deal with these issues, this is not yet understood. It requires more research.